Honorable Jared.
I know what Jared wants to say.
Mr. Speaker, this new emerging character of disparaging the media that does nothing but to shine bright light in the dark corners of government, I think should stop, Honorable Speaker.
What is
We
your
get
point of order?
informed through the media, we get news through the media, and if somebody has a beef to pick with the media, they have professional bodies around the media houses.
What is the point of order, Jared?
My point of order is to ask the majority leader, together with his surrogates, to stop disparaging the media, Honorable Speaker. The media plays an important role to this country and to the world at large, Honorable Speaker, and I thank you.
Chungwa endelea.
Honorable Speaker, allow me to ignore what only warrants to be ignored. Honorable Speaker, in this appropriations bill, in conclusion, Honorable Speaker, we have allocated immense resources to our own pet subject of CDF. And I know, Honorable Speaker, CDF is misconstrued out there to be money that belongs to these members of parliament. But CDF is money that belongs to our voters, the people who have sent us to this house, Honorable Speaker. And the resources that have been devoted to CDF this financial year, Honorable Speaker, will not only go to supplement what has been devoted through the Ministry of Education, that 630 billion shillings going to the Ministry of Education, but also to supplement our bursary schemes, Honorable Speaker, in our constituencies, to ensure that the children who have been committed to schools, who are getting school capitation, that school capitation is not adequate and is not enough. Those children need school bursaries. Honorable Speaker, we are talking about digital hubs in our constituencies.